my name's Dawn. Thanks for joining me in my yard today. Right behind me you can see is my greenhouse. It is new this year. We got it at Costco. We were just walking in the halls and then there it was. It was like a dream come true. We've been wanting a greenhouse for so long now. Anyway, the Yardistry is the brand and it was the easiest kit I have ever seen. Every piece was labeled. Everything about it was so easy and well organized. So I'm gonna take you on a tour. Look at that, did you see it? Sweet little butterfly just fell through. Oh, maybe he'll come back. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so obviously putting a greenhouse in meant redoing the entire yard because our pathway used to just come through here. So we had to go ahead and redo the entire pathway to accommodate the size of it. I think it is a 7 by 8, but I did add some accessories to try to make it cute, but my Vitex is in bloom and looking beautiful right now. This is just so pretty, and the smell of that greenhouse is ideal. It's cedar, so it smells so lovely. So what I did plan up in front of this is I've got catmint along the border there. It looks like it's starting to bloom, and then we've got some pink salvia greggy, and then I have a key lime hydrangea going up, limelight hydrangea, and then look at my Bordeaux super tunia. Oh my gosh, this is probably my favorite. I do love the bubblegum as well, but the Bordeaux is just, it's unreal. So anyways, I did hook up some sprinklers, so they are on drip. And then I got these cute baskets on Amazon. I thought they were, well, I should say I got these two on Amazon. I got these two got down here a long time ago. But anyway, so here's the front of the greenhouse. Okay, and then let's walk around to the side so you can see the panels go all the way up over the top. We have not had any leaks. And let's see if we can take a look at this side. Okay, and it does have a vent up there that opens. It must be a hydraulic lift because it opens when it gets hot. I'll talk about the screen in a minute. We added the screen. We did have a problem with wasps trying to come in and nest in there. So that is something that I wish the manufacturer had done, was some type of screen, because I think it's a problem. But anyways, all right, well, let's go in. And it is a mess, but we did add this screen here so that we could keep the door open if we were trying to add some ventilation. But the floor, we just picked up some concrete blocks at Lowe's or Home Depot. I can't remember which one. But look, sorry for the mess. It is so messy, but you can tell it's a good messy, a kind of messy I like. But look at all the shelving that comes with the kit. There's a lower shelf and then there's an upper shelf all the way across. So easy. My husband did wire some electricity in here. So we were able to hook up a heater for the winter and start some seeds. A lot of seeds starting. And then I did get these little solar fairy lights on Amazon. So there's the solar panel, sits up here on the shelf. So at night these light up, and that's kind of cool. I actually didn't think that I would come in here a lot at night, but when it was full of seedlings, I couldn't help myself to come out. So it was kind of nice to just have these little lights helping. It comes with these hooks, very sturdy hooks for hanging baskets. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 hooks. Okay, and then again, there's the hydraulic window, and the screen has done its job. but it took us a while to figure out how to do it. So we just did put a very loose screen and staple it around the outside so that nothing could get in here. But the window can still go all the way open and close if it needs to. Anyway, so there is another vent down there, but we do have that vent blocked by a vegetable garden. It's in a trough, so next year we may pull the trough away a little bit. I'm not sure how much ventilation that actually provides, but anyways. So yeah, let me give you a look underneath so you can see what the braces came to hold to support the shelves. All of it. Fantastic kit. Highly recommend. Uh-oh, a moth just came in, so. Well, let me help this little guy get out of here. Since I'm walking away, let me just show you. Look at this super peanut. Oh my gosh, these pots. That's gross. And this is Priscilla Bardo. Anyways, there's our Vitex coming into bloom. Oh, it's so pretty, isn't it? Oh, the bees and butterflies love it. All right, well, that is it. You guys have a great day.